Welcome back to the 15-day business challenge. If you're just joining us, don't worry, you can catch up on days 1 and 2 on our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of your entrepreneurial journey, developing a comprehensive business plan. Now, grab a pen and paper because today is all about setting the foundation for your business success. We'll be using the example of starting a candle business to guide us through the process. A solid business plan is like a roadmap for your business. It outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It provides clarity and direction, helping you navigate through the challenges ahead. Let's get started. Imagine you're starting a candle business. Begin with an overview, including your mission, vision, and unique selling proposition for your candles. Clearly define what makes your candles stand out in the market. Define specific and realistic goals for your candle business. Outline strategies for product development, marketing, and sales. Share your key goal and strategy in the comments to foster collaboration. Outline the strategies you'll use to achieve your goals. This includes product development, marketing, and sales strategies. How will you make your candles stand out in the market? Time to crunch the numbers. Create detailed financial projections covering startup costs, operational expenses, and projected revenue. This will guide your budgeting and financial decision-making. Now, let's break down the budget for our candle business. From raw materials for candle making to marketing and packaging costs, ensure you've considered every aspect. Your budget should be comprehensive and realistic. The foundation of your candles, paraffin or soy wax at $50. Remember, savvy shopping might shave off a few bucks here. Fragrance oils, the aromatic soul, add another $30, and the world of scents offers both quality and affordability. Wicks, dyes, if you're feeling colorful, containers or molds, and packaging make up the remaining $120. Allocate wisely to ensure both quality and a visually appealing presentation. Your crafting is the backbone of your candle making fantasy. Allocate $100 for essentials. A double boiler or melting containers at $30, a thermometer at $10, a pouring pot at $20, scales at $20, stirring utensils at $10, and safety equipment at $10. Smart shopping might just make these tools accessible without stretching your budget. Time to claim your digital space. Domain name registration usually starts at $15, but I've got an exclusive offer for you as you embark on setting up your online store. I know every dollar counts, so here's a fantastic opportunity to snag a domain name for your candle business at an incredible price. Head over to the link in the description, and you'll discover a special page that offers domain names for just 99 cents. Yes, you heard it right, 99 cents. Now, that's a steal for securing your unique spot in the digital world. Moreover, we need a website hosting at $30, e-commerce platform subscription at $30, and a basic website design or theme at $25. A total of $100 ensures your candles have a captivating online presence, inviting customers into the virtual world of your creations. Allocate $100 to make your brand shine. A professional business logo design at $50 and a social media advertising budget at $50 will set the stage for your candles to steal the spotlight. Invest approximately $50 in sturdy boxes at $20, bubble wrap or packing material at $15, and shipping labels at $15. Ensure your creations reach their destination not just intact but in style. Cover the unexpected twists in your candle-making saga. Allocate approximately $50. Business cards at $20 for networking essentials and a safety net of $30 for those unforeseen expenses that might pop up along the way. Starting a candle business with a $500 budget may require meticulous planning. Adapt the breakdown to your unique circumstances and market trends. Reinvest profits to grow your business. Flexibility and creativity are crucial in entrepreneurship. Good luck on your candle making journey. Additional business plan guidelines. A business plan is a crucial document that provides strategic direction. Let's breeze through the key components. 1. Executive summary. Your business's opening act. A concise spotlight on goals and strategies, leaving stakeholders eager for more. 2. Business description. An elevator pitch, captivating and brief, it unveils the essence of your candles, showcasing uniqueness and potential. 3. Market analysis. A thread in the grand tapestry, detailing the market landscape, target audience, and how your candles fill market voids. 4. Competitive analysis, strategic intelligence, a deep dive into competitors' strengths and weaknesses, positioning your candles as industry torchbearers. 5. Operations and management plan, the backstage pass to your candle empire, choreographing daily operations for a seamless performance. 6. Financial considerations, the financial epic, calculating startup, operational, and growth costs, crafting a fiscal roadmap for your candle business. 7. Additional training and resources, a self-audit, identifying skills gaps, and an invitation to seek training for an expert team contributing to your business narrative. Once your business plan is ready, you're on your way to success. Now, here's your task for today. Take the time to draft your business plan using the insights we've discussed. Be thorough and realistic in your projections. Share one key goal and strategy in the comments below. Let's support each other in this journey. Moreover, to take advantage of this exclusive deal on domain name, use the coupon code BMStore during the checkout process. Simply apply the code and watch the price drop to that unbeatable 99 cents. This is not just a domain, it's your online identity, and we want to make sure you get it at a price that leaves you with more budget for crafting those exquisite candles. So, don't miss out. Head to the link in the description, use the coupon code BMStore, and secure your domain for just 99 cents. Once you have created a business plan, you're off to the races. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us in the next video, which would be about effective marketing strategies for your business. Until then, happy planning, and I'll see you in the next video.